Um, shit, I've got a big head, I can't lie. So guys, your boys watched this video from Code Monkey, and it kind of like really stunned me in the sense of it was like basically using AI to code is just useless because it's, and then it kind of got to me, and I was like, well no, because I got this far using AI, but he is right. Basically, everyone's right. You still need to learn how to code. You still need to understand what the code means and what the code does and what each script does. To A, proficiently build a game, and B, to just make things quicker, because AI just it's annoying, right? AI, like imagine solving a problem and you pivot and then you change strategy to solve a problem. That's what it does. It does this, like it will change everything, it will just rejig things and fuck. But yeah, I might just dedicate a whole week to learning Go. It's like as much as I can inhale, breathing Go. I know I won't learn it all, obviously, but like it probably put me in a really good spot. Especially like maybe like I feel like a big thing is like you won't learn. I mean, you won't like, necessarily know how to like write a full like the code, but you would at least have oh fuck. You'd at least have shit. You'd at least have like an understanding on like what the code does, and you could read it, and it'd be like private enumerator, fade out TMP under the sort of text here, float delay, all of that. You know, you'd understand it. What does it mean? Because there's one thing of like looking at code and understanding it, and which is a lot easier to learn than actually straight raw coding that bitch. Like as in like you whip up an empty document and you code it. But you should be able to do that for basic things, and with the basics you can build on with it with AI. But I think it's like at the moment, like if I'm not 100% with it, I can let AI take me off on a tangent, and you realise like fuck, I fucked up so hard, I need to use my backup script, I have to use my backup project, because this shit just, I fucked up royally, and that's what I'm facing right now. It's so fucking just overwhelming. I've got my little earplugs in, and every time I read AI, it just dawns me like reading AI. Reading AI. Since I've watched that video, and I only watched the video like 30 minutes ago. But it's something I need to hear probably. Probably need to hear it. But fuck. Yeah. See, if I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Probably say something else later. But hey, there is definitely one thing only. There are winners and there are losers, and it gives me more hope when I hear that, because it's like if you do something that no one's ever done before, it's so much harder, especially psychologically, because you don't have social before. For example, people want to make money drop shipping on. That's not hard to get your head around, because you see it all the time. But when everyone's against you and it's not working for you, that's the hardest, because you're questioning, and it's, especially when you know hours and months, and you're just like, is this gonna work? And then you hear like, and you're not a professional, even though I think we do, and you're professionals. But at the same time, it's kind of like a thing to like listen to. You're like, okay, right, I probably do need to learn how to code. I've been putting it off a little bit. But yeah, shit. The boy is cooked. 12 hours. Yeah, use solution, learn code, and I need to tomorrow reverting back to my old system, because I think it's a bit too right now. I don't know. I don't want to switch scenes. I will add a scene. I think it's not necessary right now, and
I need to like go back. Like I'm doubting myself at the moment. I'm like, oh no, I've got it all. I forgot how the game works. So I need to like go back and go through all the code. It's not painful, but it needs to happen on how it all works, how the ball works, how we start the game, how like what happens when we start the game. So we like as a called variable, but honestly I don't even know much about code. That's it. We call the fucking variable. we like, and then it calls fucking stat to true to fucking ball, the ball which moves in the game, a ground which moves in the game, because the ground moves, the obstacles on it, and the ball moves only left and right. And then watch more of that, like a school community course, so understand more coding, and C# school community as well. And then also, I actually did treat learning like the gym. This is like going in the gym and just fucking do whatever. Learn code. And then I know what to ask it. A little bit more precise, because it's so much better to be like, no, I want to pinpoint this. This is the error. Do this. This is how I want you to lay it out. This is the fuck. Now storage had the frips and storage I can't be asked to get back to it here. What I just said. Basically, yeah, just structural learn, and then I know what to exactly say. Oh yeah, so like I'll be like, how we're gonna move the ball is we're gonna get Q down. A means that we're gonna move it on the which one's the X and Y? So the X is the left and right, so minus X or something on the transform. You know, like you know what to ask for, specifically what to ask for and what to pinpoint. That's basically what I'm saying. I'm fucking tired. Let's go fucking bed. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. You can do whatever the fuck you want. Good night.